Hi guys, namaste. Welcome to my channel. This reading is for zodiac Scorpio. So if you are a Scorpion ascendant, moon, sun sign, this is the reading for you. Though my readings are timeless, but it will fit you the most when you are seeing it in and around December 2021. Guys, I'm a Scorpio ascendant and this reading made me so happy. By far all the readings that I've recorded, like I've recorded 7 to 8 readings, yours is the most positive. I thought the other sign was more positive when I recorded theirs, but clearly you guys are the winner as of now. You guys have such superb energy, guys, for December. Super positive pile. All major arcanas, I see 111 in the oracle, and you know what, I have been seeing 111 since couple of months, and I'm a firm believer in angel numbers. They have changed my life. I see that in your pile straight away, 111. There is no doubt about that you are having new beginnings, new start, new journey, new love, new career, new venture. I can go on, guys. This is something really incredible and so much alignment and synchronicities. I can see that in your pile clearly. So, guys, also I feel that you need to get rid of the old energy, the old unwanted. So you have to make that effort over there. But I see that organically the old and unwanted will be going out from your life. Hence, the new things will enter, right? And it will enter, I can see that. You're finding love, guys. With the lovers, I see that you're finding divine love. There is no doubt about it. You guys are settling legal battles, balancing karmas, signing contracts, signing documents, getting jobs, union, twin flame, your love of life. Guys, I see that like both the personal as well as professional squad. If you're suffering in professional life, you are getting it. If you're suffering in personal life, you are getting it. I see most of you will get promotions, leadership roles, power and authority with a lot of respect. It's not like it will be given to you with the unwanted kind of energy, but it will be carrying a lot of respect. So congrats, guys. All this was actually happening behind the scenes too. I also feel that this was actually also happening behind the scenes too. It's just that angels, guides, spirits now want to reveal, the whole universe wants to reveal it to you. So it will happen in December. And mid-December is going to be fantastic, guys. I have a feeling. So much positivity, guys. What should I tell? It's finally coming. I feel like, for some of you, for some of the piles, I could see, there is a light at the end of the tunnel. For you guys, actually light is there coming to you in December. So you don't have to worry about that. Like, it's quite evident. And it's coming with so much added positivity. So congrats, guys. Always look forward. Stay blessed. Many of you are also receiving jobs or proposals from foreign places, guys. So if there was any relocation thing going on, or you were chatting with somebody from a foreign culture or a foreign place, I guess you guys can get together. And also those who were looking for jobs at foreign countries, you're getting it. There could be a major change in your situation, guys. Sometimes we live in environment, in surroundings which is not healthy, and it's actually very toxic and we don't even realize it. There is a major change in that situation. Overall, guys, I see you guys are receiving a lot. I see trumpet of success being played for you. You are awakening to your deserving success, Scorpio. and your light at the end of the tunnel is quite evident. It will be given to you in a platter in your hands, so don't worry. Also guys, it's the best time to start new company, creative projects, any venture. The oracle card was clearly mentioning it, that it's the best time to start any company, creative projects, venture. So guys, if you're looking forward, if you were like sitting and thinking and doing a lot of calculative thing that when should I start and when should I not start, December is the time. I think you can go ahead. For some of you, I see you might have to travel around to seek ideas for your new projects. So if you were like, okay, what should I do and what should I not do, and I feel like you should travel, you will get a lot of ideas. So in case you are doing it, please comment below. I have a sense that some of you are already doing it. You're already collecting creative ideas for your project. So please let me know in the comment section. Also, for most of you, I feel like it's like you have prepared a draft, a blueprint for your venture, for your relationship or whatever, but you have not taken action. So guys, this is the perfect, most obvious and definite time to take action. Okay, please do that. And if you are starting anything, any venture or any you're going to text someone or apply for any job or anything which is new, and you know this, that you have not been doing it and you have to finally do it, I suggest you do it on Sundays. So any Sunday of December is going to be an auspicious kind of day. I'm not trying to be superstitious here, but I have a feeling Sundays is going to be best. So do it on Sundays, guys. The advice for you is very evident, guys. Take actions towards whatever you love, your goals, your projects. Just take action. The whole spirit, the whole angelic realms, the whole universe is with you, guys. I am yet to see such a positive pile. Yours is the most. I could make it out. You're getting it all. Just take action, guys. Just take action. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself. Write to me on the comments. Write to me on my mail for the most accurate form of reading. I would recommend you watch all your signs, Sun, Moon, Ascendant. And see you again, guys. Thank you so much. Bye bye.